Hello. Yeah. Welcome to ITK Study Class. This is FBK. In this video, uh, I will show you some more Eclipse shortcut key. Now I'm sharing my screen. Now, in this video, I will show you refactoring related key, shortcut key. Oh, no. Now our first key is Alt plus Shift plus R. What is the meaning of this key? What is the meaning of this key? Rename, rename selected element, rename selected element and all reference, all reference. Okay, so I will show you. I want select here one element. So I want like change the customer name class to selected and shift press alt shift or and the last customer I want to change like employee EMP. Okay, finish. Simple finish. Its name here also change and here also change. Okay. So now select one more time, control shift or customer. Customer. Okay. So now next key is Alt plus Shift plus V. See, so what this key do? Move selected element, move selected element to other class or file. Class or file. We will show. Suppose I want to customer class inside the test library project. So simple Alt Shift V. Simple select here, come down, select SRC. Under the SRC, I want to com.itsc. I want this file into this. So press OK. Simple. So move it. It's moved now. It's moved here. Test ITSC. Yeah. Customer is from here. Okay. Now next is Alt plus Shift plus C. Change the method signature. Change the method signature. Change the method signature. You know method signature. In core Java, you studied this. Okay. The Alt plus Shift plus M. Check the method. Select the good method and it will execute. Alt plus Shift plus L. Sorry, not L, I. What it do? Inline, selected, inline selected local variable, method, constant, whatever the place. Okay, I'll show you this piece also. Come here. So here I want to change method signature. So Alt Shift C. I want to change method signature. Selected Control Shift Alt Shift C. Which method signature you want, you can also change here and add it, remove whatever you want, you can do it here. Okay, this is the method signature you have selected. This is the refactoring. Refactoring means just changing the name and moving the file here and there. Okay, so Control Shift I, Alt Shift I, sorry, Alt Shift I. This is the inline invocation. Okay, deleted inline invocation. Right. Okay, this is the key related to refactoring. And second, debugging related key. This is the important run and debugging. Debug. Debug related key. Run and debug related key. Run and debug related key. Yeah. No. There is some keys are there. Like first key is the plus control plus F11. What is the meaning of this key? What do this key, this type of work do this key save and launch application. Launch application. This key is not required to go main class, okay? To run the application, not required to go main class of this application. Simple, control plus F11 plus. Then it's proceed. It will automatically go all the classes. It will save it and go into the main method. Here is some method. Don't worry. Let it. So it automatically run. Like F11. F11. F11 debug. Debug. I will show you debug. F11 press F11 simple and it's open debugging mode. Opening debugging mode. Okay, this is the debug mode. You can debug your application like that. Press, sorry. Okay, no issue. Yeah. I'm not showing a code. Okay, press the breakpoint here and simple. Some more keys are there like debug mode open and press F5. F5 is F5 is step into function. Step into the function. Like you want to go next function and press F5. Function to function. Like go into the function to function by using this. Okay. Now I don't want to do this on my code. Yeah. Complement at the breakpoint. I put the breakpoint here. Breakpoint here. Okay. And next key is F6. F6. What this key, this type of work, do this key, this type of work, do this key, next step, line by line. It means to line by line, line by line, line by line, line by line. Okay. Like press F6, press F6. Okay. Some code is not my goal. That's why if press this key, if you are know the debugging, if you know the debugging, then it is a here I'm not showing a debugging mode, how to debug the code. I am telling the key. Okay, F6, F7. Next is F7. Now F7 is step out, step out. Okay. Now F8. F8 is F8 is skip skip to skip to next breakpoint. These many shortcut keys related to debugging. Okay. Uh, these many keys related to. Okay. Good. And I want also this in the bracket. Good. Yes. now. So I will upload this notes. I will upload this note on the channel. So please join our channel. I take study class. Thank you.